What's up, guys? What's happening? It's Dr. Clarence. I'm at the shops right now, so I'm just gonna be giving you the view of Zimbabwe streets right after Murambatsvina. I've seen a lot of vendors vending. Vanhu vakawanda vari kurohwa nezuva vari pamaposition pavo, which is really disturbing and really sad. Really disturbing and really sad. So I'm just gonna show you a few vendors how they're doing it right now from afar. Okay, in the meantime, between time, as I prepare, I want to share the link to this live broadcast to my WhatsApp group schedule. As I do that, guys, make sure you click the like button and subscribe to TV7 Live if you have not yet already done so, so that you never miss any of our videos, because we make videos each and every day. So right now, let me just show you what's happening. I'm gonna be moving. Most of the time, I'm gonna be quiet. Then I'll be reading your comments. Okay. Debbie, boss hotera. Ndikufire. Ndikubackspinner zvangu da kusvika paningirina pazesa. Ndo ndikubackspinner ndambosvika pazesa. Debbie zizei. Ere. Mavhenda ari kupona here nezuva apa. Ya ma1. Okay, we are about to go there. We are about to go there. Bear with me. Let me just switch on to my front camera right about now. Okay, big up everybody who's watching us. Okay, I think now we have a clearer view. Devi zvikufamba here? Super. Gabe, hamuzani mapinda muofisi munyowani. Muchiri kutonetsa. Muchiri kunetsa. Inga pakaipa. For iPad, iPhone. Makebo yedu ayamalize. Amakamonipa. Ripa phone 100. Pana amakamonipa achaja faster. Charger na cable chichiri fast. Universal. Ana marje. $4. Iyi mari. Alright. Yambo nomtsvaga cash. Tione kuti aufa. Iripo. Ziri. Alright, big up everybody, big up. Just want to see your comments. Ernest Williams. Prestige Gangarawe. Sarudzai. Prestige Ganyiwa and Sarudzai Gangarawe. Prestige says since you guys don't see even one bit. Makonzo anomboita opati kana kiti sipo George Tau. Happiness. Mazvimba kupa zviri sei. Big up everyone. Yes, Prestige Ganyiwa. Yes, there's been follow-ups and follow-throughs to really enforce it to depth. Maizia. So, yes, actually, my one. Big up Ernest Williams, Ephraim Wood. So what's happening is actually uh, most vendors have been displaced. Those that are remaining are maybe 20%. Yevani Garavaripo usually. I don't know what they are up to. What I must say. What could you just say? Now it's okay, but a lot of people are actually having to sacrifice being in the scorching sun just to trade. Ronald McCrim, Ephraim Mawutu, big up Moses Kanepambiri. Yes, guys, and the my likes, subscribe those who have not yet already done so. I'm gonna sign out right about now. Okay, today I'm gonna be back on live, man. Taking live calls. That is 9 p.m. On TV7 Live Extra. We're gonna be continuing. The Chinese, China, India. We also have my issues. My bank Zimbabwe Barclays, bank CBZ, etc. I actually managed more stories from people vakabirwa mari dzavo, and I'm assuring those people that you get your money, and yes, they will get their money Monday. Anenge ari ma1 everybody ane pakesi yake. I'll be going to each and every of those banks, and we're going to be speaking in the public relations yavo, and we're going to be doing that live on video. We're going to bring people to book, because you to my bank employees in their individual capacities, they still mari kuvanhu mari shoma kuti ukatumirwa $20 iwewe, you might actually never get your money. But now, would you go kukoti iwewe? Ungaende kukoti here kunotera $20. Iye messenger of court charge $20, I think per kilometer. You see? So yes, we're going to be exposing people, and we're actually going to be taking real action. So to those vakabirwa mari nemabank, keep giving me your details. 0773 390967, 0773 390967. Ephraim Mawutu says I'm in China. Kuri sei munonyatsobatwa sei ikoko nevanhu? Toda kuziva nyaya idzi, because tichange tichava nyaya dzevakomana vekuchina nhasi manheru. Anditi ka Ephraim ndinonzwisisa zvaurikutaura. I didn't understand. Ronald McCrim. I'm gonna sign out right about now. This was just a short video clip where I was showing you what is happening right here, right now, the aftermath of the operation Murambatsvina. Yes, it's still continuing. Marita follow through distracted. Twese twakasaririra, and zvinhu zvakapwanywa zvachonaka. Zvimwe zvachona yesh ma1. Let me just check if I have any more comments. That's not kuvara. That's not going. Then I sign out. Moses Kanembiri, big up. Thank you, Rock McCrim, for that comment. Mengo Modzo. Life in China is not that amazing. Ronald McCrim. I'm saying usazobatwa nevakomana sawenki, we need ndibatwe. Okay. Enough respect everybody who was watching us live. I'm gonna sign out. So guys, 0773 390967. Those people vakabirwa mari dzavo, do contact me. Anditika. We are doing something. Monday, then ndichitera nyaya dzenyu mese. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna be doing this. This is community service. I'm doing this for free. For just to help everybody. Alice Nube, enough respect. Eli Uwanga, did you say?